Hey folks, just Dave Boyd here. Me and Magnus are cooking dinner for the family tonight. I figured you guys would appreciate this little recipe, so we've, kind of already pre-prepped a lot of this stuff, just because we're running a little bit behind. Jen and Bronson are at swimming practice, and here's my trusty partner Magnus here. He helped me cut up all the onions and stuff, and we have most of the stuff here done, and I'm going to flip it around here for you and so you can see it, okay? All right, so we're gonna switch over here. We're gonna see the wontons. I get a muffin cooking tin, and you basically put all the wontons that you can get at the store. These are about $2.99. I use this liquid smoke barbecue sauce too as well. We're gonna need the cheese to put on top. Right now we're prepping the sausages with the zucchini and some onions. Basically, you cook this really good. You want to make sure it's really well done. We're going to scoop all this stuff out, and then we're going to put it in the wonton or in the muffin tray here. And basically, we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 for about 10 or 15 minutes just to cook it a little bit longer. So this is done right now, so we're going to get to that step next. All right, folks, so the wontons are done. They look delicious. Try not to burn the phone off here. And try not to burn my hand, just get one out. So these are definitely done. And wow, there you go. So this is just a family pack of sausage. I use honey, garlic, and you kind of take them out of the casing and you chop up. I use the zucchini, and I also use onion. And you can pretty much put whatever you want in here. These are absolutely delicious. And you can feed quite a bit of people with these. Everybody will love them. The kids love them. And they're healthy too as well. And again, it doesn't take very long. So prep time, I would say about 20 minutes. And cook time, another 5 or 6 minutes. Not really that much. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I learned this recipe from my aunt. She cooked these one time at a gathering, or a family gathering we had, and I couldn't stop eating them, and she told me how to make them, and we make them all the time now, and they're absolutely delicious. So zucchini, onion, sausage, honey garlic sausage if you want, and cheese and wontons. I use barbecue sauce, and I also use it's called smoke. It's a flavoring for the meat and stuff. It's absolutely delicious. So try it out. Let me know how you think. Super easy to make. Comment, tell me how it turned out for you.